everybody. I'm an English teacher at Urgen State University, and my name is Nasibe Jumaniaspa. And today's topic is about writing the article review. As you know, there are several types of the reviews, and one of them is about the article review. The main purpose of the article review is involve the comparison, analysis, and evaluation of the article. So here we can try to define the article review, and we'll try to understand what is it actually. So article review is a critical, constructive analysis of the literature in a specific field through summary, classification, analysis, and comparison. As you hear, there is the exact terms about the review, which is the article review should involve the summary of the article and the classification of the article and analysis. This means that in the review article, the article itself should be analyzed, and also there must be the comparison, the good and bad points of the article. So a scientific text relying on previously published literature data, and this means that the article must be previously published, and then according to the article, they can be scientific article review or critical article review, and of course it depends on the purpose of the article. So, new data from the author's experiments are not presented, with exceptions. Sometimes can be seen that some reviews contain new data also. It depends on the situation, of course. And here you can see the elements of a review article. So the first one is title. Title must be between the 8 and the 12 words, and helping the readers to decide whether they should read the text or not. So list of authors. Declare intellectually ownership of the work and provide contact information. Abstract. There must be also the abstract in the article review. This serves to inform about the main objectives and results of the review article. And the article mostly accepted when it is written in 2000 or 2050 words. So, and here of course the main and the basic rules of the writings is pre-writing, or the pre-writing like stages, you can say. And here preparing a review article, there is given some suggestions about that. So narrow the topic of the article and define a few research questions or hypotheses. And search for literature sources, refine topic and research questions during the search. Read the article and evaluate the article and classify and make some notes. Yes, here the taking some notes while reading the article is so important. So you should redefine the focus and the research questions, define the take-home message also, and compose a preliminary title also. So the next one is article reviews. Here, yes, you can see here APA about the format for citations for articles. We can again get some information about the APA format from the previous presentations. And here there's some shortened version of the APA format citation. How to give the citation in the APA format. And also make sure you answer all of the questions in template, and here you can see some examples about that. So here Here you could involve the answers of these questions in your article review. This means that how many articles should you review, and in what format should you cite your articles. It may be MLA, APA, or ASA, or Chicago format. And what length should your review be, and should you include summary, critic, or a personal opinion in your article? Do you need to call attention to a theme or central idea within the articles? Does your instructor require background information? And in an article review, the writer should understand that audience has knowledge in this subject matter. They have background knowledge about this subject matter, and one needs to summarize the main ideas, arguments, positions, and findings, and then critique the article's contributions to field and overall effectiveness. And the critique will be based on proof and your own thoughtful reasoning. It both summarizes and evaluates the article. Article review evaluates and summarizes of the article. An audience has knowledge about this subject matter and make points of the stronger argument. This means the comparison part of the article. In your article review, they should involve the stronger and weaker arguments of the article. And also the writer should involve also some critical ideas about in the article review about the article. So only include your own thoughts and opinion, no additional research. So here you can see the introduction for the article review. Here, during that time period, psychology and psychiatry and rise in a popular field, but little work had been done to actually define the components of an emotion or feeling. Constantly, Ryle set out to publish some constraints on this nebulous subject by suggesting that feelings are distinguished by various bodily or mental sensations. That was the introduction, and this is here there is the kind of sample to take some notes from the article while we are writing the article review. And here is there is highlighted the important sections of the article. In order to get some notes to write the article review, you should highlight the main points of the article. That was the example of that. And also here this means that taking them exactly pointed of the article in order to write the article review. And also summarize the article. In your article review, you should involve the summarizing information about the article, as I have mentioned. So here some examples how to summarize and how to write the article review. And you can see this presentation on the Moodle, and you can get some information about writing the article review, and you are free to write some questions on the chatting part of the model. Thank you for your attention. Bye.